Trains are my life. I've been obsessed with them ever since I was a toddler. I started working for the railway as soon as I left school, and at the weekends I go back in time volunteering at Heritage Railway. They're just amazing machines. Spending all day, every day around trains is literally my dream job. My name's Jamie Stannard, and I'm a section supervisor for the MMTs at Network Rail. The MMTs, or mobile maintenance trains, are like a workshop on wheels. They carry all the materials and tools we need to repair or replace tracks. There's a covered working area that means me and my team can work safely, protected from the worst of the weather and passing trains. The job's full of variety. One day we could be out upgrading older rail or dropping ballast. The next, replacing the metal clips that hold the rails in place. When you're responding to an urgent repair, it's a case of rolling up your sleeves and getting the job done to the best of your ability and as fast as you can. Night shifts can be tough, but when we're working, we see passenger freight trains go by, and it's a reminder of why we do this. To keep trains moving so they get to where they need to be on time. I'm not a hero. It might look like we're saving the day,
But to us, it's just doing our job.